We are your go-to partner for high-quality cable assemblies and wiring harnesses. With over 20 years of experience and certifications like ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485, we know what it takes to deliver reliable performance. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive and aerospace, we create custom cables that meet your exact specs. Choose from LVDS micro-coaxial, FFC waterproof, and molded options built with trusted connectors from Molex, JST, Tyco and more. Whether you need fine pitch designs or ultra-thin wires down to 48 AWG, we've got you covered. Count on us for outstanding quality, fast delivery, and support every step of the way. Contact us today and let's build something exceptional together.